Welcome to Homework Lib. Question: a student wishes to determine the concentration of a solution of nitric acid. She has a solution of barium hydroxide with concentration of 0.05 m. She conducts a titration of a standard KHP MW equals 204.22 grams per mole, and finds that the equivalence point occurs with a volume of 30.56 milliliters when she uses a 0.65 gram sample of KHP. What is her measured barium hydroxide for this standardization? Summary of this concept. Section 2nd answer of this question. Section 3rd of this answer. Section 4th of this question answer.